Hey guys, today I am very excited because this is my first unboxing video on YouTube. Today I am going to unbox Kechoda K10, which is recently launched on 2nd June 2018. This is Sukhani Kapil and you are watching SK Talks. Hey guys, here you can look the packing of the one of the world's smallest phone, Kechoda K10, and some of the key feature of the phone given at the front side of the phone, like it has the SOS panic button, mini cell phone, Bluetooth handset and FM radio. It also given the 1 year free warranty for the phone. And at the back side of the phone you have the some of the other features like 0.66 inch of the display. It has the micro SIM card slot and it also has the 300 mAh of the battery, and you can see it comes in several colors like black, silver, pink, white and gold. It's really funny that company has given the warning, do not swallow this phone and keep this phone away from the children's. Okay, now we are unboxing the phone. After unboxing, the first thing we have seen the warranty card. In warranty card, company has provided some of details of their service center in some state with their contact details, and you have to fill some of the detail in warranty card. After warranty card, you can see the how soft the packing of the phone is. The first thing you see in the packing is the phone itself. Now we can put the phone aside and see the some other accessories like this plastic earpiece with the earbud and one type of the adapter to connect with this earpiece with the phone, and company has also given the charging cable. But one thing have to notice, company has not given the charger to charge the phone. Now you can look at the all the accessories together given in the box, and you can see company has provided the micro USB cable to charge the phone, not USB type C. And you can see this earpiece has a very poor plastic and fragile quality, and you can see this adapter which connect the earpiece, earbud and the phone all together. Now we can see the phone. This is the Kechoda K10 phone. We can put all the accessories aside and look at the phone in detail. You can look at this phone. On the left side of the phone nothing has given, and on the top of the phone there is one hole is given. You can insert the wire in this hole and carry it on your neck. On the right side of the phone you can see one SIM tray is given. On the bottom side of the phone micro USB port are given. You can see in SIM port you can insert the micro SIM card, and at the back side of the phone one slot is given for the adapter. Now we can switch on this phone and look at the phone from inside. You can see the menu of this phone like contact, messages, call logs, organizer, zone, settings, FM radio, audio and all of things you needed in your phone. Now we can see how adapter can attach with the phone and all of the accessories with it. You can see this plastic earpiece can attach on the adapter. Now you can put the earbud on your adapter like this. After putting your earpiece on your adapter, you can attach this adapter with your phone on the back side. You can attach this adapter with your phone, and you can adjust the plastic earpiece according to your comfort size, and you can also adjust the earbud according to your comfort. Now you can use this phone as your Bluetooth handset and wear it on your ear. I will show you how small this phone is. You can see phone in compared to my finger, how small it is. It is like half of my finger. For more understanding you can see by comparing phone with the paper clip, it is almost the same size of the paper clip, and you can also see it is almost double the size of your regular sharpener, and it is also smaller than a regular gum bottle. You can see it is almost the double than your regular Samsung type earphone. By this comparison, you can imagine how small it is. You have watched the video of one of the world's smallest phone, Kechoda K10. If you like the mobile, you can purchase it from the Amazon at the price range of 1000 to 1200 rupees. I will give you link in the description box. If you like the video, give thumbs up and share it with your friends. Please subscribe my channel for more tech videos.